What's up guys, on today's video we're going to be installing some ultra modern hexagon lights for our shop. These are available in a single pack, a 3-pack, 5-pack, 11-pack, or even a 14-pack. In our particular case we're going to be using the 11-pack for our install. Now these are pretty big. Each of these hexagons are 31 inches by about 36 inches. So again, it's really big. And we're actually going to be installing the 11-pack. So after everything is said and done, we should have a surface of about 200 inches by 63 inches, which is really bright. The total output with the 11 is going to be about 30,000 lumens at only 276 watts. So again, it's going to really help us out for our installs, our window tinting, all that good stuff. We're actually going to be removing these afterwards because they should be plenty bright for that. And if you're worried about us washing your vehicles here, it is waterproof and it actually comes with a 3-year warranty. So that's now also another nice bonus for this. It can be installed in the wall or it can be installed on your ceiling, whatever needs that you need. It's easy and plug and play install. It comes with brackets. It comes with all the hardware that you need to install. It basically will light up into any configuration that you need as long as it connects to the connectors. There's Y connectors and other different connectors that I'm going to be showing you guys, and it actually plugs into any of your US outlets. So again, it's super convenient. You've seen these in the ultra modern garages that are super expensive, and now you can do this on your own home at a pretty budget friendly cost. So make sure again guys, check out the link below in case I missed any of the information or specs on these lights. Now let's go ahead and get to the unboxing so we can check these guys out. All right, let's unbox this. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this. Here's the instruction booklet. There's also an email address in case you need to get a hold of them, as well as a phone number. So that's really good. It's really convenient to get a hold of them. I always love that these companies put their information on there for support. Now, there's different packages. So in our case, there's going to be the 11 pack for the 11 hex. You got your tubes, you got your 120-degree V connectors, your Y connection, your 5-foot power cables, your wire nuts, your plastic expansion pipe, your screws, and your zip ties. The 11 hex has a 276 watt, as I mentioned earlier, and it's a 110 volt. And it has actually, it's about 5,000 up to, it's about 6,000 K. It's a cool white light as well. So again, it's going to be really bright. And these are basically instructions on how to install it, how to connect it to the connections. Looks pretty straightforward. Let's go and take a look at the box. Again, Y connectors. They're pretty heavy duty. They're not cheap plastic. Here's another box of your Y connectors. Here's your 5-foot cable, your nylon cables, your 120-degree connectors, your screws. And these are going to be the individual lights. They're very lightweight, so it should be easy to hang these up. What we're going to do is we're probably going to build a side first, and then we're going to go ahead and mount it up and then connect it at the very end. Boom. Wow. It's bright. All right, we've got it installed. Let's take a look at our new light in our bay. Of course, that's the new Land Cruiser, first edition, and boom. Again, this is the 11 pack. I think it fits perfectly for the bay. You can add more if you want to. We are going to be removing those LED light bars on the side, but for now, this is how it looks. The install was pretty easy, especially with 2 people, but it can be done by yourself. If you're doing it by yourself, you probably want to do 1 hexagon at a time, but again, we had help and it was a lot easier. Look at that. It is very bright right here, so I really love the way that the light bounces off the vehicle. Just looks super cool. Let me know what you guys think. I'll have a link below. We basically use all the parts. There was a few connectors that were left, and that's basically it.